All right, so today we're gonna give you guys a review of this Tesla wall charger holder. So as you can see, you mount it to the wall and we've got it into the studs, which makes it super nice. And then you can wrap your cable around it. And then this is super convenient and is genius that you just put it right there. So once you're done charging and you unplug the car, you literally just come right here and you put it right there and it's not on the ground. So this is an absolute brilliant idea. Every Tesla owner or EV car owner should be adding this to their wall charger, and it just makes things a little bit more organized. So we've got it plugged in and then we've got the cable wrapped up and it works perfect. So it's just super nice, easy, convenient, stays out of the way, cleans up the mess, and we definitely recommend this product.